Hello everyone, Palantir's Q3 earnings, a pivotal moment. Before starting, important info. This video is AI generated and created purely for informational purposes. We encourage you to focus more on listening than watching to get the most out of the content. Welcome back to channel Palantir. The data analytics powerhouse is set to report its third quarter earnings on November 4th. This is a highly anticipated event in the tech and financial world. This announcement comes amidst a surge in Palantir's stock price, fueled by the growing excitement surrounding artificial intelligence. The company has been making headlines with its innovative solutions and strategic partnerships. Investors are eager to see if Palantir can deliver another strong quarter and justify its recent gains. The financial community is buzzing with speculation and analysis. The stakes are high, making this earnings release a pivotal moment for the company and its investors. A strong performance could solidify Palantir's position as a leader in the AI space. The tech world, Wall Street, everyone's watching. Analysts are poring over data, trying to predict the outcome. Palantir has been on a tear lately, and the question on everyone's mind is, can they keep it up? The company's recent successes have set high expectations. We're talking about a company at the forefront of AI, a sector that's hotter than ever. Their technology is revolutionizing industries from healthcare to defense, but with great expectations come great responsibility, and Palantir needs to deliver the goods. The pressure is on to meet or exceed market expectations. Mark your calendars, folks, because November 4th could be a game changer. This date could very well determine the future trajectory of Palantir's stock and its standing in the tech world. Riding the AI wave, Palantir's recent surge. Palantir's stock has been on an absolute tear, driven by the booming AI sector. The company has seen unprecedented growth, with its stock prices reflecting the market's confidence in its innovative solutions. The company's cutting-edge data analytics platforms are seen as essential tools for harnessing the power of AI. These platforms are not just about crunching numbers, they provide deep insights that can transform entire industries. This has made Palantir a darling of investors looking to capitalize on the AI revolution. Investors are particularly excited about the potential for long-term growth, given the increasing reliance on data-driven decision-making. From government contracts to commercial partnerships, Palantir seems to be everywhere these days. The company has secured significant deals across various sectors, including military, healthcare, and finance. Let's talk numbers, people. Palantir's stock has been soaring, and it's not hard to see why. The company's robust performance and strategic partnerships have fueled investor confidence, leading to a steady climb in stock prices. They're sitting on a gold mine of data, and their AI-powered platforms are turning that data into actionable insights. These insights are invaluable for businesses looking to stay ahead of the curve in a competitive market. Governments love them, businesses love them, everyone wants a piece of the Palantir pie. The company's ability to deliver reliable and actionable data has made it a trusted partner for many. This is a company that's riding the AI wave like a pro surfer, and they're showing no signs of slowing down. With their innovative technology and strategic vision, Palantir is poised to continue its upward trajectory. Valuing Palantir. A look at the numbers. When it comes to valuation, Palantir presents a bit of a conundrum. Its price-to-sales ratio, a common metric for valuing tech companies, is significantly higher than the industry average. This suggests that investors are betting big on Palantir's future growth potential. However, some analysts caution that such a high valuation could be unsustainable if the company fails to meet its lofty expectations. Now let's talk valuation. Palantir's price-to-sales ratio is through the roof. That tells me investors are expecting big things from this company. They're saying, Palantir, we believe in you, even if your current sales don't quite justify this price tag. But here's the catch. Palantir needs to deliver. They need to prove that they can turn this AI hype into cold, hard cash. Institutional appetite. A vote of confidence? One of the most bullish signs for Palantir is the significant interest from institutional investors. Hedge funds, mutual funds, and other big players have been steadily increasing their stakes in the company. This institutional backing is often seen as a vote of confidence in Palantir's long-term prospects. These are not your average day traders, these are the titans of Wall Street, and they're betting big on Palantir. Let's talk about who's buying Palantir stock. We're not talking about your uncle's retirement fund here. We're talking about the big dogs, the institutional investors with deep pockets and even deeper research teams. These guys don't throw money around lightly. They've done their homework, and they like what they see. That's a major bullish signal, folks. Election jitters navigating market uncertainty. While the long-term outlook for Palantir might seem bright, there are some short-term risks to consider. The company has shown strong potential and growth, but the road ahead is not without its bumps. The upcoming US presidential election is injecting a dose of uncertainty into the market. Elections always bring a level of unpredictability, and this one is no different. Changes in government policies, particularly in areas like defense spending, could impact Palantir's government business. The company relies heavily on government contracts, and any shift in policy could have significant repercussions. Investors are understandably cautious, waiting to see how the political landscape unfolds. They are keeping a close eye on the candidates' platforms and potential policy changes. But hold your horses, folks. It's important not to make hasty decisions based on fear or speculation. Before you go all in on Palantir, we gotta talk about the elephant in the room, the election. This event is a major factor that could sway market dynamics. This thing's got the market spooked, and for good reason. The uncertainty surrounding the election results is causing a lot of anxiety among investors. We don't know who's going to be calling the shots come January, and that means uncertainty. This lack of clarity can lead to market volatility and cautious trading. Uncertainty is not good for business, especially not for a company like Palantir that does a lot of business with the government. Stability and predictability are key for maintaining strong government contracts and ensuring steady growth. The year-end roller coaster volatility ahead. Another factor to consider is the potential for increased market volatility as we approach the end of the year. Historical trends suggest that the fourth quarter can be a bumpy ride, with investors often taking profits and adjusting their portfolios. This could create buying opportunities for those on the sidelines, but it also means that Palantir's stock price could experience some turbulence. And let's not forget about the year-end roller coaster. We're talking about the time of year when investors start getting antsy, taking profits off the table, and bracing themselves for the new year. This can mean volatility, folks, and Palantir won't be immune. Buckle up because it could be a wild ride. The case for buying Palantir now. For investors who believe in the long-term potential of AI and Palantir's position within that space, the current dip might represent an attractive buying opportunity. Waiting for a pullback is always a possibility, but there's no guarantee that the stock will drop significantly, especially if the company delivers strong third-quarter earnings. Buying now means getting in on the ground floor of what could be a transformative technology company. So you want to be a Palantir bull? I get it. You see the potential, the AI dominance, the government contracts. You're thinking, this is the next big thing, and I want in. And you know what? You might be right. This could be the ground floor opportunity of a lifetime. The case for waiting, patience as a strategy. On the other hand, some investors might prefer to err on the side of caution and wait for a potential pullback before hitting the buy button. The upcoming election and year-end volatility could create such an opportunity. Waiting also allows investors to see how the third quarter earnings play out and whether Palantir can live up to the market's high expectations. But hey, maybe you're a cautious investor. You're not afraid to miss out on a few percentage points to avoid a potential loss. You're thinking, this stock's been on fire. What goes up must come down, right? And you know what? You might be right about that too. Weighing the options risk versus reward. The decision of whether to buy Palantir stock before November 4th ultimately comes down to an individual investor's risk tolerance and investment timeline. There's no right or wrong answer, only different approaches to navigating the market. Investors need to carefully weigh the potential risks and rewards, considering their own financial goals and investment strategies. So what's it gonna be? You buying Palantir now or waiting it out? It's a tough call, I know. It all comes down to your risk appetite and your investment horizon. Are you a gambler, willing to roll the dice for a chance at big gains? Or are you more risk-averse, happy to play it safe and wait for a better entry point? Only you can answer that question. The bottom line, your Palantir playbook. Here's the bottom line, folks. Palantir is a high-risk, high-reward stock. They're at the forefront of AI, a sector with massive potential. But they're also facing some headwinds like the election and potential market volatility. Before you make a move, do your homework, understand the company, and assess your own risk tolerance. This ain't no crystal ball, but it's the information you need to make an informed decision. This is your money, your portfolio, your decision. Make it a good one.